Welcome to the Merchants First Working Capital Program slide presentation. Let's talk about our different programs. We have an alternative financing, non-traditional, traditional financing, bank financing, receivable factoring, which is basically factoring your Visa, MasterCard, and cash sales. This is our most popular program because most clients with bad credit or a little banged up credit usually qualifies for one of these receivable factoring programs. They're called MCAs, they're called starter programs. But again, if you have not so perfect credit or not so good credit, or you're not even sure, usually this is the program that most people would start out in. The other two programs are for people with excellent or fairly to moderate credit. So you know your credit, so pick the program that best suits your credit status. Talking about credit, let's talk about credit scores. We can get you cash regardless of your credit scores. If your score is between 4 to 550, we can do a starter program. If you have a mid score, which is 551 to 650, we have hybrid programs, we have cash programs, we have bank programs that can help you. And if your score is 650 or above, which is considered high by today's standards, we definitely have not only more than one type of program for you, but we have very good interest rates and factoring rates for you. Now, I know you want to know, how long does this all take? Well, most approvals we can get in 72 hours, with the funding taking place anywhere from 10 to 21 days. Basically, what holds up a funding is your response time. When we send you the app, when we call and request an application or an additional statement, that's usually where we find the delay in. We at Merchants First work extremely diligent in order to try to get this done. So we usually, 95% of the time, will have an approval within 72 hours. So how does one qualify for our program? Well, first, you fill out the application, which should be attached to this email. You return that application with the last 3 months of your bank statements and credit card statements. Now, you can either fax those back to us at the 866-430-3975 number, or you can email us to the email address in this presentation. Again, once we receive your fax, we will call you to confirm that we've received it, go over it. Then the next thing is it's on to underwriting, and we should have an answer for you within 72 hours. So, in conclusion, we have 3 different types of programs. We can get you approved regardless of what your credit score. And lastly, the process is quick and easy. Because at Merchant First, keeping you in business is our business. We'd like to thank you for taking your valuable time to listen to this presentation. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to call us at 800-575-6293. That's 800-575-6293. Thank you, and we look forward to hearing from you.